Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook business account ID in Meta Business Suite. If you've been managing a business page and need to locate this ID for integrations, advertising purposes, or simply for verification, this guide will show you exactly where to find it. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. Here's where you need to pay attention to the left navigation menu. Look through your shortcuts section where you'll typically find your Facebook business page listed. Go ahead and click on your business page to proceed. This is an important step because it ensures you're working within the correct business context rather than your personal profile. Once you click on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is the central hub where you can manage posts, respond to messages, and access various tools for your page. Now focus your attention back on the left navigation menu. Scan through the options available until you locate Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's integrated platform that consolidates management tools for your business presence across Facebook and Instagram. Click on Meta Business Suite to continue. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment to load, so give it a second to fully display the dashboard. You'll now find yourself on the Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is your command center for overseeing all aspects of your business accounts. From here, you need to locate the Settings menu. Scroll down to the bottom part of the left navigation panel where you'll find Settings. Click on it to access the configuration options for your business accounts. The Settings area contains all the important details and administrative controls for your pages and accounts. Within the Settings section, you'll see various options organized by category. Look for the section labeled Profiles. Under Profiles, you'll see a list of pages connected to your account. Click on the specific page for which you want to find the business account ID. This action will open a summary window that displays comprehensive information about that particular page. In this summary window, pay close attention to the Page Info section. Here you'll find the page ID, which is also referred to as your business account ID. This unique identifier is what you've been looking for and can now be used for whatever integration or verification purpose you need it for. And that's it. You've successfully located your Facebook business account ID through Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.